It's no secret that speed is a game changer in sales. The longer you leave someone waiting, the less likely they are to convert. In fact, did you know that 50% of buyers choose the vendor who simply responds first? With Calendly, your team can make faster connections and start closing more deals. Let me explain. Calendly's scheduling automation fits into every step of your sales process, from that first discovery call, to the product demo, to the stakeholder alignment and pricing negotiation, and finally to the handoff with customer success. Instead of sending multiple emails back and forth to find the best time for each of those meetings, your prospect will simply choose a time that's convenient for them via your website, or your team's scheduling page, or your personal one-on-one meeting link. Calendly will ensure the meeting goes on everyone's calendar, and it'll give your team a friendly heads up that the event has been scheduled. In between meetings, you can use Calendly's workflows to automate all the busy work involved in the sales cycle. Send an email or text reminder, share resources, email a quick thank you, request a follow-up meeting, and more. You'll set up your workflows once, and they'll keep working, reducing no-shows and keeping your prospects engaged. As an admin on a Calendly account, you can also create, distribute, and manage workflows, event types, and other meeting settings, so your entire team is delivering a consistent prospect experience. Plus, you can use Calendly's integrations with popular CRMs, like Salesforce, to automatically update lead records with meeting information. Calendly is the easiest way to schedule, prepare, and follow up on your sales meetings, which is why 89% of sales teams close more deals when using Calendly. Meetings can be a competitive differentiator, and when you eliminate all of the admin work for your team, they can focus on what matters most: building relationships, reaching your quota, and driving more revenue. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about using Calendly with your team. We're here to help.